Welcome back to Mobiles Talk. Today we're diving into the all-new Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, a device that's redefining the foldable smartphone experience in 2025. Design and build. The Razr 60 Ultra boasts a premium build with a vegan leather finish and a refined hinge mechanism. Available in multiple colors, including a unique wood finish, it combines style with substance. The device is also IP68 certified, ensuring resistance against water and dust. Display. Experience a 7.0-inch LTPO AMOLED inner display with a 165 Hz refresh rate, delivering smooth visuals and vibrant colors. The 4.0-inch cover display is equally impressive, allowing you to access notifications, control music, and more without unfolding the device. Performance. Under the hood, the Razr 60 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, paired with up to 16 GB RAM and 512 GB storage. Whether it's gaming, multitasking, or streaming, this device handles it all effortlessly. Camera. Capture life's moments with dual 50-MP cameras on both the rear and front. From detailed selfies to wide-angle landscapes, the Razr 60 Ultra ensures every shot is picture-perfect. Battery and charging. Equipped with a 4,700 mAh battery, the Razr 60 Ultra keeps you connected throughout the day, and when it's time to recharge, benefit from 68W wired and 30W wireless fast charging capabilities. Software and features. Running on Android 15, the device offers a seamless and intuitive user experience. With Moto AI, enjoy personalized suggestions, enhanced productivity, and smarter interactions. With its cutting-edge design, powerful performance, and innovative features, the Motorola Razr 60 Ultra stands out as a top contender in the foldable smartphone market of 2025. If you're looking for a device that combines style, functionality, and the latest technology, this might just be the perfect choice for you.